Bentley is taking the next step on its journey to a sustainable future with the Bentayga Hybrid, the only electrified true luxury SUV in the world, and a model that Bentley predicts will become the best-selling member of the Bentayga family. Delivering the same level of comfort and luxury, yet with a quieter and more refined driving experience, the Bentayga Hybrid brings a selection of new technologies and connected car services, positioning the new product as the most technically advanced Bentayga to date. Introducing the very latest onboard technology and an even more cost-cutting cabin, the new Bentayga is significantly revised both inside and out from the previous generation. Subtle exterior badging complements the Bentayga's exterior design, now prevalent across the entire model range, giving Bentley the freshest and most modern product family of any luxury car company. A dedicated button allows control over the 3 E-modes: F-Drive, Hybrid Mode, and Hold Mode. These will enable the driver to manually manage battery usage during a journey, though this can also be managed automatically by the car. The Bentayga Hybrid offers the ultimate in electric luxury, with smooth and silent progress through urban environments, whilst having the grand touring capability to escape the city and explore further. Customers of the Bentayga Hybrid can escape the noise of the city through the refined and acoustically isolated serenity of the cabin without engine interference, using up to 31 miles of electric-only range (NEDC), before physically leaving the city behind with the comfort of a total combined range of 536 miles (NEDC). The Bentley Hybrid Efficiency Accelerator pedal provides a pressure point when in F-drive to denote the boundary between pure electric and hybrid power. This encourages the driver to stay in F-drive for as long as possible but can also be disabled if required. Whilst the Bentley Hybrid Efficiency Braking blends seamless integration of braking between the e-motor and conventional hydraulic braking, to provide a conventional feel to the brake pedal for comfort and the driving experience while maximizing recuperation of energy.